Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Agitator, part #WP3347288. The Whirlpool Agitator, part #WP3347288 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washing machines. It is an agitator, which is the part of the washing machine that moves the clothes around in the water during the wash cycle. The agitator helps to ensure that all of the clothes are thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. This particular agitator is made from durable plastic and features a unique Whirlpool design that helps to create a powerful swirling motion for effective cleaning. It also has a long-lasting finish that resists corrosion and wear. This agitator is This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is an agitator repair kit and is used to fix the following symptoms: agitator not spinning properly, agitator making loud noises, agitator not agitating clothes properly, agitator not moving at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the washing machine from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the agitator cap by unscrewing it with a screwdriver. 3. Lift out the old agitator and discard it. 4. Place the new agitator into the washer tub and align it with the holes in the bottom of the tub. 5. Secure the agitator to the washer tub by tightening the screws that were used to remove the old agitator cap. 6. Replace and tighten down the new agitator cap using a screwdriver or socket wrench, depending on what type of screws were used to secure it in place. 7. Plug in your washing. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.